In graphs and tables, we often describe trends like increase, decrease, or fluctuation. In these tables, we mainly need increase and decrease. Instead of repeating increase, we can say go up, rise, and grow. For decrease, we can say go down, fall, drop. We can add words to show how big the change is. If the change is big, we can say sharply, dramatically, substantially. If the change is small, we can say slightly or marginally. Before we move on, let's look at a couple of example sentences. Remember, variety is not only about using different words, we can also create variety by changing the sentence structure. The first two sentences mean the same thing, and the second two sentences also mean the same thing. But we have changed the word form and the sentence structure to create variety. Sometimes, for a very big change, we can use strong words, but we need to use them carefully. Skyrocket and spike mean increase sharply, and plummet means decrease sharply. In this question, we can use these when talking about the population of other districts between 1900 and 2000. The population of the other districts skyrocketed between 1900 and 2000. However, the percentage in Manhattan plummeted. Here are different sentence structures we can use to describe increase and decrease. Notice that the meaning stays the same, but the structure changes. Sometimes we start the sentence with the population or the figure, or we can start with the change using there was. So, there was an increase in the population. We can also use phrases like experienced an increase. Instead of saying the population increased, we can say the population experienced an increase. Or we can write growth was recorded or an increase was recorded in the population. We use different structures only to avoid repetition. You don't need to know all of them. Just pick one or two structures that you're comfortable with and use them correctly. When we talk about overall increase or decrease in a table or graph, we can use trend with upward or downward. For example, the overall population trend in New York City was upward, but the overall percentage of total population showed a downward trend. We can use the word shift for a major change. We use shift when one group becomes less important and another becomes more important over time. For example, in this question, population percentages are changing. So we can use the phrase demographic shift or shift in population.